Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can password protect a folder in Windows 10. So you simply need to copy this code. So if you want this code, I will share that with you on my Facebook page, so contact me on that. So here you can see your password go to fields, so you simply need to remove that your password, and here you need to add your password. So you add 123123, click on file, save, or you can click on save as and choose the location. So I'm going to select on desktop, and here you need to add download dot. So here you need to change, so let me select the folder. So log dot bat, click on save, close that, open this folder, and now you simply need to open this extension, and here you can see, are you sure to log this folder? So click on Y, yes I am sure, hit enter, and now it will lock the folder. And here you can see enter password to unlock your secure folder, so 123123. So now it is open. So this is the process that you need to follow to password protect a folder in Windows 10. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.